To set lock screen locking show notifications as do not show notification in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap show notifications. Tap settings. Select show notification are active if you turn on show notification, and if turn off, tap show notification are paused. And then turn on left transcript and show notifications first. If off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then select knocking, and then scroll down, tap lock screen, select don't show notifications. Now lock screen knocking show notification set as don't show notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.